future is ours. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Woo! Alright, I'm going to talk a little loud. Hopefully I'm in frame. Alright, first impressions, I love the wheel. As you can see, I'm not hiding anything. I dumped it a few times, but I know it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. I got a little squirrely on it, going from that 3-inch tire to this 2 1/4, I believe it is. I could be wrong. I'll double check on that, but it's definitely a smaller tire. And I started on hard mode. It didn't feel responsive enough. I put it to medium, and then I dropped it down to soft. I like soft mode better. It seems like it reacts to your body's, your movements a little bit better, and especially when it comes to braking. I noticed on hard mode, it was like it had delayed braking on it. Didn't like that too much. So, yeah, I'm liking the wheel. It's going to take me probably until tomorrow to feel a little more comfortable on it. One thing I do notice, it's much easier to get on and off this wheel than it was the M10 It's like night and day. Getting off the M10 was very hard, and mounting the wheel was hard. Getting on and off this wheel seems a lot easier. At first it was a little bit tricky, but I got the hang of it now. Let's see. So that's it. I'm going to take and try to get a few more shots. I did let some air out of the tire. I had to lower the PSI on it. It seemed like it was getting just a little bit squirrely on me. And I just have to find the sweet spot where to put my feet and everything on the, the pedals, because it's a heavier wheel. But I'll get it. I'll get it. I'm happy. I got this wheel. I needed the upgrade. Now it's just time to ride this baby like I hate it and just get good. Hydrate yourself. Remember that. You gotta hydrate yourself. So I'll probably ride for about another 2 hours and then call it a day and jump back on it tomorrow because it is so hot out here. Sorry for yelling into the camera. And my camera's overheating out here too, so I can't take much more video. So this is Sensei over and out. Thank you all for joining me. And yeah, man, let's expand this electric unicycle community. Excuse all the sweat pouring down my face. One thing that I definitely noticed, being off the wheel for 2 weeks has really hurt me. It's like almost trying to learn over again, and then when you finally get the hang of it, you lay off of it for 2 weeks. It's like starting over. But again, just keep with it, not getting frustrated. I'm just gonna take my time and just commit myself to the process. Here we go. One last thing, basically what I'm doing now is doing exactly how I learned on my M10-3. So with the Tesla, I'm going through the same stuff I did when I learned on the M10-3. Just the drills, just going through the drills until I get pretty comfortable, and then I'll start, venturing out a little bit. But for now, I'm just going through the learning process. Another thing that I'm noticing, when I was riding the M10-3, I was favoring my left foot. Now on the Tesla, I'm favoring my right foot. So now I gotta find the sweet spot. That's what I was trying to say earlier. It's like I'm learning over again because it's like these wheels, they handle completely different. Completely different. Woo! Oh man, I'm dead tired. It is so hot out here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little break because I'm getting a little bit careless. So I'm gonna take me a little break, hydrate up. I'm actually going to edit this video and I'm gonna come back out later on as the sun starts to set and hit it again. Again, go through the process. Enjoying myself, wouldn't trade this for the world. And I'm showing you guys everything. I'm showing you guys the good moments, the bad moments, whatever happens, happens. And we're just gonna play it out until I get good. Anyway, if you haven't done so, sub to the channel. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, as they say in the EUC, I said that right, EUC, yes I did. Keep it will, baby. Keep it will. This is Sensei. Over and out. Hello. Good night. We'll be back later. Ride your wheel like you hate it. Let's go.